Analog Efex Pro 2 is the newest plugin in the NIC collection. In this video, we will walk through a basic workflow for how to use Analog Efex Pro 2. I'm also going to introduce you to some of the great features inside this new tool. To begin, I'm going to show you how to launch Analog Efex Pro 2 from each of the host applications. In Lightroom, go to Photo, Edit In, and choose Analog Efex Pro 2. If you run Aperture, go to Photos, Edit with Plugin, Analog Efex Pro 2. Inside of Photoshop, there are two methods. You can choose Analog Efex Pro 2 from the floating palette, the NIC selective tool, or you can go up to Filter, NIC Collection, Analog Efex Pro 2. Once we are inside Analog Efex Pro 2, you're going to notice our interface looks very similar to the other NIC collection plugins. In the top, we have a toolbar where we can control and view our image in different ways. This is also where we can zoom in and out of our image and change the background color. In the bottom right corner, we have our loop, which gives us a 100% view of our image. You can also change that to the histogram so that you can see the tonal range of your image. Similar to our other plugins, you have your main adjustments panel off to the right and your preset panel on the left. Analog Efex Pro 2 offers a bevy of tools to replicate the effects of shooting analog cameras. A favorite feature within the plugin is the set of tool combinations. The tool combinations within Analog Efex Pro 2 allow you to quickly transform your image using a sequence of different tools. In addition to the tool combinations in the original Analog Efex Pro, Analog Efex Pro 2 offers 6 new tool combinations for endless creativity. The new tool combinations offered are black and white, color cast, motion, subtle bouquet, double exposure, and multi-lens. Choosing a tool combination is a good start to adjusting your image. To choose a tool combination, click in the top left corner. You can now choose from one of the individual tools off to the left or one of the tool combinations off to the right. If you choose a tool combination, the panel will close and you will see a set of thumbnail images showing the different presets along the left. Scrolling down, you'll see many different options, including the I'm Feeling Lucky preset option. This button references Google's I'm Feeling Lucky search option. When you click this button, it completely randomizes the effects you will get for the selected tool combination. I often use this button when I don't know where specifically I want to go with an image. It can give some great inspiration that I wouldn't have thought of otherwise. Rather than use the results from the I'm Feeling Lucky button, I'm choosing one of the presets off to the left. Once you've chosen your preset, you will want to shift your attention to the right side of the interface. If you notice, one of the buttons here is the Vary button. Clicking this button makes subtle changes on your image using the preset you have selected. If you hold the Shift key while clicking the Vary button, the changes will be more substantial. For this particular image, I'm going back to the original preset I selected. Once you've selected your preset, you can turn off any of the tools on the right-hand side by clicking on the checkbox right next to their name. You can also adjust the specific tools. Click on the tool you wish to adjust to open up its options. Then adjust the sliders or on-image controls. For this image, I'm going to adjust the shape of the bouquet and add more blur strength. Once you've adjusted the settings, you may want to add another tool that is not a part of the particular tool combination you selected. Again, click in the top left corner, and instead of choosing one of the individual tools, you want to go into Camera Kit. The list of tools will now appear on the left. The tools that are grayed out are not applied to your image. To apply one, hover over the tool you wish to use and click the plus symbol. Then, adjust the new tool as desired. If you wish to save the new tool combination that you have just created, click the Save button, or you can click on the plus button next to the word Custom off to the left. Then, type in a name for your new preset. Once you select OK, it will now appear under the Custom area. You can now use that preset on other images for a similar feel. Once you are happy with your image, choose the OK button if you run Photoshop, or the Save button if you're in Lightroom or Aperture, and the changes will then be applied to your image.